Okay, guys, I have to do an update that my phone, one of, I don't know how to even say that, but I just need to get a new phone because my the phone that I was using, which also I used to record the videos, the phone is actually literally just gone, and because of repair and motherboard issues and something was going on, so I'm actually using my another phone. So I'm doing the recording. Obviously, I don't have the microphone which I can connect with this one because it's a different USB, and also the type C, and also the different things. So it's I don't know if you guys know me. This is like ongoing for me. So it's going to be for me until this month end, and hopefully I just get a new stuff, and definitely as I promise you all to do the video, I will do it. So you just okay, I need to know what are the timings that you guys want me to do the live reading, and also what time do you prefer? Is it India timing or US timing or UK timing? Do let me know in the comment, because I can arrange the live session so that you guys can ask the questions, and I will try to answer your questions as much as I can. And yeah, that's the update that I want to do. Obviously, this it's been a very long time. I didn't record using this camera, but I kind of like it. Obviously, not the light. Please no. This is like what is this? It's a hall light, and it's kind of like if you guys can see. So yeah. So I will be doing this week itself. Hopefully, please pray for me, and also I will be coming live and answer your questions. So do let me know your timing, and also don't give me your questions, because you can ask me on the live session itself, and hopefully I can help you. And yeah, that's what I want to say. So please keep sharing my content. It actually helps me a lot, and also I have few stuffs that I can actually do like a short videos, but I'm actually testing right now if the voice, my audio is good without the microphone. So hopefully it works. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.